Here I have Motorola Moto G8 Power Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to grant access to the developer options on this device. So firstly, you have to open settings, then go to the About Phone section, and here you can find the number, align build number. Then you have to tap on it with your finger several times until you get the message you are now a developer. And now you can find your developer options here at the system section, in the advanced, and here they are. Here is all of our very interesting and useful developer options. You can also disable them here, and after that they should disappear from the settings list, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.